Hola! So, early this morning, I went to the clinic to get a prescription for antibiotic. I waited for an hour to get this prescription. I received 3 different kinds of antibiotic. The first one is penicillin. If you get ear infection, skin infection, urinary tract infection, dental infection. Second type of antibiotic is ciprofloxacin. Yes. If you get bone and joints infection, stomach infection, respiratory infection, typhoid fever, urinary infection. The third antibiotic is ear drop for ear infection. It has ciprofloxacin and hydrocortisone. Not to forget, I also purchased Dr. Simi socks. Farmacias Ambassador is all over Mexico. I love it. So I have to get myself one. Adios!